The story called The Magic Porridge Pot. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She lived with her mother, who was very poor. One day, the little girl was out for a walk and she saw an old lady drowning in the river. The girl saved the old lady, and the old woman gave her a magic pot in return. The old woman told the girl some magic words to make the pot cook. Cook, little pot, cook. She also explained how to make the pot stop cooking. Stop, little pot, stop. The little girl took the pot home to her mother and said the magic words. The pot began to cook the porridge. Cook, little pot, cook. However, the girl's mother tried to use the cooking pot, but she could not remember the magic words. The porridge flowed out of the front door and onto the street. Soon, the whole village was flooded with porridge. When the little girl came home, she said the magic words, and the pot stopped making porridge. Stop, little pot, stop. There was enough porridge for the whole village, and they never went hungry again.